Alright, we're heading out to the Sterling Kit Car Factory. Just set it up in our GPS. If we have the ability, we'll do a tour of the factory somewhat, or at least show you the facility so we can go. Alright, so come for a ride with us. You're pointing out the window.
Okay.
We're about a minute away.
Continue on Valley Road, then turn left.
Okay. Continue on Valley Road, then make a left. So which way? Straight or what? Straight, looks like.
Turn left on Valley Road.
What's it talking about? Turn left on Valley Road.
Right here, I think I gotta go this way.
Maybe. It's not really telling us.
There you go, it says Sterling.
Sterling? Sterling cars.
Where did you see Spectre?
Right there.
Oh.
Okay. Ride at Sterling, because I can tell, because there's two Sterlings cannibalized in the parking lot. It's got a different trunk than ours.
Yeah. I like the
Different gas cap than ours.
Yeah. I actually like that trunk a little bit better.
Yeah.
So this white one looks similar to ours because this one has regular headlights. This other one has pop-ups.
This one has square headlights.
Yeah, but it's
Versus round.
yeah, but this one also has pop-ups. This one's a little bit rotten inside, but also has a different dash inside this one. Alright, let's go see if we can check out the factory.
So, alright, we're at the factory of Sterling, and there's a Symbia body up there, and then there's a Cobra mold over here. So we're going to walk back to some Sterling. Gotta excuse the mess. This is a wheel
Wow.
Joe Colombo design. So the Sterling, this started life as a Sterling was.
Really?
It became a Symbia. Yeah, if you look at the Sterling, this is one of the early ones we had for reference.
Ours is 288.
Okay? I have no idea what the serial number was. But if you look at the body lines, they're pretty similar. The front and the basic contours.
Right. So we have the original windows, but we don't have the moldings that obviously go around it. Now, I don't know, does the overall roof have a molding around the bottom of it?
Yes.
Okay, we need that. This is hydraulic, right? The way you guys have it. I'm going to turn mine to electric. We'll do it that way. I think it'd be a little bit.
We're actually looking at changing these to pneumatics.
Well, that's something. Yeah, like the electric one.
Yeah, this is
That is so good.
yeah, we have to remember this. Typically molding around here wherever you want it.
Yeah, well, we don't have any of that.
Okay.
And like I said, we don't have the window molding. This is the dash that was in it, I guess.
Yeah, this
What do
is
you have
like
now, the
exactly
pod?
what it was.
There's nothing in it now. I mean, it's got this dash, but then the guy just made this out of like plywood.
Okay.
It looks pretty cool.
Okay. I was going to try and give you the tour of the molds in the back. Where do you guys come in from?
South Jersey.
Oh.
So, no. So we figured we'd drop it on video so everybody can see the place.
Well, the new building's a lot bigger. And,
Okay.
a lot more space and more stuff going on there.
You know, this back window is just plexiglass.
It's actually glass.
We don't have it. So it's glass glued in. Is that what it is?
I really like this one.
Was that the Civic, the Ford back? That's pretty cool.
We're going to the secret room.
Secret
Oh my
room.
God.
This is the secret where we store the molds in our outlet warehouse, but, we also have, molds for, the Kit Knight Rider car in here.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah, so you can get
The fiber one.
yeah, this is the front nose.
So did you buy this from the California company? Is that what happened?
What's that, the Ford back stuff? or-
The Sterling. Alright, we've done our factory tour at Sterling, or Spectre, or whatever they want to call it this week. We met Bob, the owner. He's an awesome guy. Just so you know, this location is not going to be the location in about another month. The new facility will be up, and it'll be probably about 3 times the size of this. They've got some really cool cars that they have that we put on the video for you. Reality, this place is really cool, and again, Bob's really looking to bring this back around, and I think he's doing a really cool job. It's nice to see some original Sterlings that are here just for mules. I mean, just to get parts and stuff like that. That's what people had done to them. Like the one back there has original TR7 lights in it, and Bob has the actual outline to go over to the molded piece to go over those. So he's going to be making those. So if guys want to pop up lights on their car, they can. They could do Fiero or they could do TR7. So he's working on that. So he's got some stuff in the pipeline for what's going on in the next year or so. And I have to tell you, it was a real enjoyable time. Bob spent time with us, showing us everything he has, and really straight up nice guy. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'm going to turn the camera around because, as always, Greg's with me.
Always gives a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, go follow us on our Instagram at Greg_Dibsy, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
Oh, one last thing. I have one of the first of the new emblems hats that are being made. This is an actual factory hat.
Only factory guys have this.
Only factory guys have this, and Bob was nice enough to give it to actually Greg, but I'm wearing it. So stay tuned, and you guys are going to really see Sterling and some other cars that were in the past do a new revive, and hopefully we'll be up at Carlisle Kit Cars coming up in May. I mean, it's only November now, but and maybe we'll be with Bob at his tent. That would be kind of cool. So again, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. Thanks.